In this video, you will find out how much money my P2P lending portfolio made last month and what challenges I currently face. Watch until the end of the video if you want to increase your yield from P2P loans in the current market environment. Remember that this video is no investment advice. The goal is to show you my skin in the game and give you an idea of the performance of an actual P2P lending portfolio. In this table, you can see the outstanding portfolio amount at the end of June. In the right column, you can see how the portfolio amount has changed compared to the previous month. My portfolio on Peerberry performs as expected. While the loan availability is low, I still manage to invest my available funds on the primary market as soon as new loans are published. New loan listings happen multiple times per week, and if you want to get notified, use the Peerberry app and turn all notifications on. As the demand on the platform is high, deploying a large amount of money with auto-invest is almost impossible. Funding the entire loan manually is the only solution to avoid cash drag on the platform. Of course, another option is to invest on other P2P lending sites. Suppose you are impressed with Peerberry's approach to risk management and the fulfillment of obligations towards investors. In that case, consider investing on CrowdPeer, which is a regulated Lithuanian crowdfunding platform managed by the same team. My portfolio on Estate Guru has not changed since last month. The team is working on loan recoveries, however, the default rate for the outstanding portfolio has not improved so far. I don't expect any significant progress in the upcoming months, which is why my investments on Estate Guru are currently on hold. While Robocash keeps performing well, there are no loans available that match my investment strategy. This means that for a new investor, it's nearly impossible to invest any funds. While Robocash is one of the most reliable platforms with an impressive track record, it is simply not attractive enough due to the low loan availability. If you're new to P2P lending, I suggest looking elsewhere. Having your funds stuck uninvested on a platform makes just no sense. As you can see, my outstanding investment amount on Estate decreased mainly due to the noticeably lower loan availability in June. My automated strategies were not able to deploy all of my funds on the platform, and I also did not manage to invest on the primary market or on the secondary market without any premiums. Newly listed loans are fully funded within a few seconds after they get listed on the primary market. If the loan availability remains low and my funds will not get invested, I will have to relocate some funds to other platforms. The portfolio on Boster did not change as expected. Rapid Credit did not fulfill the obligation towards investors again, nor honor the promise to repay all the debt by the end of June. As I'm recording this video, Boster did not release any update on this matter. The portfolio amount on Income also decreased last month as the lender I invest in did not list any new loans, meaning my received principal could not be redeployed. Fintown and CrowdPeer continue paying interest monthly without any cash drag or performance-oriented issues. So as you can see, investing in P2P loans this summer is not easy. Peerberry, Robocash, Estate, and to a certain extent also Income struggle with low loan availability. That's at least valid for lenders in which I am investing. Estate Guru has 42% of the outstanding portfolio amount in recovery, and Boster proves every month that it does not deserve your money. The platform does little to nothing to protect investors' interest. From the current active portfolio, Fintown and CrowdPeer perform well with a good loan availability, hence a good opportunity to expand my portfolio. Some alternatives are also Lande or Inrento. Any other platforms should be approached with caution as the risk might be higher than you think. That's at least my suggestion until the end of summer, as the loan availability should increase before winter when the lending volumes tend to grow. At the end of June, the outstanding portfolio amount was 80,345 euros, which is 2% lower than in May. This portfolio generated 679 euros in interest, 2% less than in the previous month. In this chart, you can review the portfolio diversification. Most funds are split across 3 platforms, namely Estate, Peerberry, and Robocash. Note that I have been investing on those platforms for years, building up a larger portfolio on those platforms this time around might be challenging. Here you can see the interest payout from all platforms last month. The default rate is slightly lower than last month. The portfolio of late loans and loans in recovery also decreased. Peerberry continues the repayment of war-affected loans. The funds in war-affected loans dropped by 12.68% compared to last month. There has not been any change in terms of loan types. Most of my loans are short-term loans, followed by commercial and installment loans. Here you can see the portfolio distribution in various countries, which is heavily affected by the loan availability. Trying to replicate this distribution as a new investor would take a lot of work and I'm not even sure it's actually possible in the current market environment. Regarding security, most of the loans are unsecured, backed by buyback guarantee. The rest is secured by a mortgage. To summarize this portfolio update, the average investment per loan in June was €94 and the weighted average interest rate increased to 11.24%. The portfolio is split across 852 loans in 15 countries. So that's been my portfolio update. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe to not miss out on future videos. If you have made any changes to your portfolio, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll get you in the next one.